Alright, here's that cold as ice challenge. Basically, it's super cold in there. Yeah, basically, sometimes you feel like ice and stuff in there. So I'm going to put my hand down there and see how long I could do it. Right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Get that back thing here. See the clock?
Oh no.
It's now 8 seconds. Ooh. That is colder than I remember last time.
I really can't see it.
Oh boy. Took over 35 seconds and that's it. Ooh. Okay.
Let me feel your hand. Now you'll draw some out of me. Wait.
No, it's okay.
Do it in your stomach.
I know.
Here.
But that is cold, guys.
Not me, man.
Oh, wait a minute. It says here, on April 14, 1912, the RMS Titanic collided with an iceberg, causing 1,570 people to perish and leaving only 706 survivors. The majority of deaths were caused by hypothermia due to the 28 Fahrenheit -2 icy cold water. In this exhibit, you'll feel the icy cold water as it was the night the Titanic sank. How long can you keep your hand in the water? Yeah, it is definitely cold.